how to make a presentation in Canva, presentation tutorial for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm giving you a tutorial on how to create a professional presentation in Canva for work and more. So let's get into it. First of all, what you guys need to do is you can go to canva.com and you will land on this software right here. Canva is an online designing tool and also available as an app that you can download. So canva.com allows you to edit videos, photos, you can create presentations, logos, you can create invitations, t-shirt designs, and much more. With Canva, we will be able to create high quality presentations for work, for business, like any kind of category that you are in, you will be able to create professional presentations. So let's get into it. Once you get to canva.com, you need to actually sign up. You can sign up with your email address or using your Google account. After that, you will get some of the templates available here, some of the layouts, and then we also have one right here for presentation. So we can switch to the presentation section on Canva, and it will give me the templates that are available. So you can check out the templates on Canva. They look pretty good. You can see we have talking presentations, we have brainstorm presentation, different categories. We can even create animated presentations on Canva. What I will do is I will just go with a simple presentation. So I'm going to click on see all here. We can start from the scratch too, or we can customize a template. Well, working with a template becomes easy if you are a complete beginner. Keep in mind, we can also create like different pages from the scratch within a template, so you don't have to worry about it if you're not satisfied. First of all, let's just choose a template from here. I am actually creating a template for work. So what I will do is I will go with a simple yet high quality presentation. So let's go with this template here. Each template will have 10 to 12 pages. So this one has 12 pages for me. You can see pretty good looking. I'm going to customize this one. So here we are inside our Canva editor. You can see it's showing me the 12 pages for a template that I have selected. What I can do is I can customize these pages. I can add my own pages and I can create a page from the scratch. We can also add pages from different templates to create our own presentation. At the bottom here, you will be able to see different pages of your presentation. For instance, this is my page 1 that I'm working on. Then, of course, we have elements, upload, text, projects, audio, and apps. We can also use audio in a presentation. At the top, we have the name. So let's change the name first. And I'm going to call it my test business presentation. After that, let's start working. So you can see within a template, we have different elements added. First of all, we can get rid of the different elements that are already within our template. For instance, this logo right here and this text, I don't want that. So I'm going to actually get rid of it. We'll just simply delete. Then at the bottom here, we have some of the elements again, where you can get rid of it. So that's like the first step that you should do using a template page. And work on pages one by one. You don't need to select the pages first and then edit them. The good thing is first you select a page and then customize it. We also have this text here. I don't want that. I want this page to be my first page of the presentation. Then we have this image here, and then we have this image right here. So we can upload images from our media, from our computer. So go to upload here and upload all the files that you will be using. For instance, different images, your images, your company images, your team, whatever you are going to be using. Upload right here. We can also go to the element here and we can search for different pictures and we can search for different stickers and graphics to add to a presentation, which is the best thing about creating a presentation on Canva. We have text here. I'm going to customize it. So my text is going to be simple. Let's get rid of it. Let's actually go to the text here and add a new text as a heading. So this is the heading for my presentation that I'm creating. I'm going to place it right here. Now I'm going to select the text and we can customize the line spacing a little bit. So I'm going to make it a little like this. And I'm going to also adjust the text. Perfect. So it will look like this. In the background, we have this blue color. First of all, we can change the background color, but I'm liking this blue and yellow theme. So I'm going to stick with this, but you can change the color. Just select the, background color and change it. So we have blue. I will change the text color for me and we'll change it to white so that it pops out on blue. Perfect. Now I'm going to go to the fonts here. Font is an important part of your presentation. Make sure to stick with one font throughout your presentation to keep the, theme aligned. So this is what it looks like. We have a text. Now we have this image right here, and then we have this image. So how to change it? Here I will add my image. So I'm going to go to the upload here, and I had my image uploaded already. I'm going to select it. And what we can do is we can just hover over this section and we can use it if it's used in a frame. Okay, so what we can do is I'm going to actually change my picture into a circle and round frame. So you can see this is a frame. We can place the frame here, and then we can just drag and place the image between the frame. So this is the image. Now, the image was actually black and white. So I'm just going to click on edit image here, and we can add filters. And in filters, we're going to stick to the theme. So I'm just going to go with black and white here. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And then we have this image here. We can, of course, customize it. Let's move on to our second page now. And I'm going to go to the design now and select a page. So for my second page, let's go with this one. So here we have our numbers. Again, I can customize this element, and instead of this element, I'm going to go here, and within my graphics, let's say I actually have something about the finance here in this section. So we can go to the magic recommendations, and we're going to select this one. So we can add these kind of graphics and make them like pretty small, and then place it here. And we can change of course, the color. So I'm going to switch to white here. Then we have welcome to our presentation. We have some text here. Of course, you will customize the text. You can go to the text section here, click on add body text, and you will be able to add it right here. Again, we have some text here, and then we have some points. So this is where you will add the points. We have this image, and I don't want this image to be black and white. Actually, we can go to uploads too, or we can search for an image. So I'm going to select from here. For instance, I wanted to add an image like this. So what I will do is just drag and drop it here. So you can see the image will be changed. And now what I can do is I can edit the image and maybe get rid of the any filters that we have. So it does have a filter. So I'm going to go to none, and this is what it will look like. You can see now it has been changed. Of course, the text, if it's not readable, what you can do is you can go with less text and make it a little bold. So this is my second page. I'm going to go for my third page here. Go to design. For third page, we have this kind of design available where we can compare two ideas. So here again, we have this element. Let's say I wanted to change the color and I wanted to go for something else. And we can, of course, customize it. We can get rid of this maybe image here and just use the points. So we can do that. So you can see it's a frame here. I'm going to get rid of it. This is what it looks like. Now here, I can use something else. Maybe I can use a graphic, or I can use more text. And you can get rid of the images if you don't want a lot of visual, effects within your presentation. Then I'm going to go to my fourth page and go to my designs again. And this time we have this kind of presentation. Here you can introduce your team members and you can add their images. So adding an image, I showed you in the first page how to do that, and you will add it right here and customize it. So working with Canva presentation is actually really easy. All you need to learn is how to add images and how to customize text. So there are three types of text. Keep that in mind. We have headings, subheadings, and embodied text. So this is like a body text here. This one as well is a body text. It's not a subheading. And then this one is actually a subheading. So you can also change the color. So for instance, we have two colors here. So we have different colors for the text that we can use. Now I'm going to add some of the other pages to my presentation, and we can customize the text too. If you want to rearrange your pages, we can do that really easily. So for that, what you will do is you will just move the pages at the bottom like this, and we can just place one page in front of the other. For instance, we have this thank you page, so I'm just going to place it at the end here. So once your presentation is done, what you need to do is you will click on present and actually check out how it looks like. And with each slide, we have the time here. So if you want to increase the timing, you can select if it's 10 seconds, 5 seconds, or whatever timing you want to go for. And after that, you will click on share, click on download, and your presentation will be downloaded. And this is how we create presentations on Canva. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.